Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on this, but I started thinking about we could throw the clone tool in here and change some things afterwards. So we've got this circle and we're going to go to edit and we're going to clone it and we're going to nudge it out of the way. And that is our clone curve. So this is our control curve up here. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this, and you can duplicate this as many times as you want. I need to get it in the center. Not quite there. Sometimes it snaps to it like really good. Now it's probably there. Just doesn't look like it. There it is. And we're going to rotate windows, dockers, transformer, transformation, depending on which one you have. I just did a video using the same 10 degrees. And then here's what's pretty cool, but you don't have to use a clone for this. So these are not touching. But if we make this clone thicker, now they're touching. Let's see if they're touching enough. Probably not. And like I said in the first video, if it doesn't have a 5, you can just type in 5. You can type in 5.5. So now they're pretty much touching. Now they could even go a little bit more. Let's go 6. And 6 isn't the numbers, but I can type it in. So it's making every one of them thicker. Now, before I turn them into a, you know what, it could actually go to 7. But I think that's good enough for the video. Now, before I do anything else, I'm going to take the shape tool. Well, let me back up here. That didn't work. I'm going to take the clone. I don't even know if this will work. Go up to object and convert it to a curve. Get our shape tool. And yes, look at that. So you could change. I just made a video of how you could change parts. I should have stayed where I was at because it was pretty cool. But you could do a lot with this and really get a neat effect. Then what you can do is select them all. Go up to object and break the 37 part or whatever it is. Yeah, 37 apart. You can delete that. We can get rid of our circle. And now we can, are we touching now is the question. And I think we are. So then take them all like we did before. Go up to object and convert the outline to an object. Left click, right click. And let's see if we're over. We are. We're connected. So now we can take them all and weld them. And by doing that, it'll be actually one individual piece. It's not really very pretty, but you can take the Smart Fill tool. I don't know. I did a tree video earlier, so I'm still stuck on green. But that's a pretty cool effect. Now, let's take this even further. Let's take the Smart Fill tool and let's fill in a yellow. And let's interactive fill tool it. And let's put a little gold in the tip. Really vice versa would probably be the best. Now, if you remember, we rotated it so I can take that new item, put it in the center. I could control D. I can't wait to, I need to research and get my centering deal back, alternate C, I can't even remember, it's been so long, and hit apply. Look at that. You can take away the outline. Well, maybe you can't because the outline was already there. I'm pretty sure we can take away the outline. Well, regardless, that's pretty cool. And then because this is sealed, we could take, let's take that orange and put it in the center. You know what? Maybe surely it will. Yeah, but I could have made it that orange. Why won't it make it orange? That's a good question. Okay, then hit P and put it back in the center of the page. Now, because we've got that, we could actually go a little further, take the interactive fill tool and get the elliptical and put this in the center And we can put a little yellow in that center. And look at the effect. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas or two, and thank you for watching.